everyone, you're welcome back. Okay guys, so if you're new, you are most entirely welcome. Okay, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how I get rid of my belly fat, despite the fact that I'm actually a little bogus right now. You know, your girl is breastfeeding, but because what I take inside, my baby is actually going to take that. Yeah, so I don't want her to get too slim. Already she's actually a slim baby. Okay, so this ingredient is tested and trusted. I actually used to use it when I was, you know, single and all of that, and it helps me so much. So you can try it, and I'm sure it's gonna be great. Yeah, so if you want to know all of the ingredients, stay put. So continue watching till the end. Thumbs up, subscribe and share. Now let me take you right in. Okay guys, so no jokes guys, lost your belly fat and ham fat with this, and this is moringa leaf. Okay, now moringa leaf is essential. It is used for tea. It is great guys. We actually used to use it to cook soup and eat. Yeah, the Africans. Yeah, it's actually very important. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna be removing it like this. Okay, now before I actually use this, I used to wash it, although now it's actually raining season, so most of these things are actually not too dirty like that, but still we need to sanitize it, right, and remove all of the dirt. Yeah, so I will wash it. Then I will grab a pot. Okay, so now I would have to put in water, just enough to go, and then I'll go boil this. Yes, and stay put to see all the ingredients and how I'm gonna be doing that. So the next ingredient is going to be apple. Now apple is a great ingredient for the body. It helps to flush out toxins in the body. Now using apple cider vinegar alongside with apple is bomb guys. Okay, so this is how we're going to be doing this. I'm actually sanitizing it because I love to clean my stuff up. Okay, so I'm gonna be blending it with the smaller blender here, adding a little bit of water to that. Okay guys, so our apple is ready, and this is how it looks like. Okay, so what we're going to do now, we're going to be adding up lemon. Now since lemon is citric in nature, it helps so much to flush out toxins in the body. Yeah, so I'm gonna be cutting lemon and I'm gonna be adding it into this, and I'm not gonna be adding so much of lemon. Yeah, okay. So okay guys, so the next ingredient, which is very important also, is garlic. Now garlic is great for the skin, garlic helps for the body, it helps so much in flushing out toxins in the body. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do now is that I'm going to be peeling the garlic. So I forgot to blend it together, so now I'll have to be putting it. I hope it's gonna blend, so I will have to be putting it and blending it again. I was supposed to blend it together before, so you can actually blend it together. Okay, now it is very well blended and smooth, very smooth. So what we're going to do now is to strain this out, or you can actually drink it this way, but I love to strain it out. Yeah, so grab this and then we'll strain the juice out. Okay, so this is it, this is the juice. Okay guys, so now this is what you're going to do in this particular one. For you to get the utmost result here, you have to leave this for it to be fermented. Okay, like you leave it till the next day inside a place which is not really cold, so it can be fermented. When it is fermented, then you would, let me bring in the so this is the moringa, and this is how you're going to do it. Now after you've actually boiled it, you're going to be turning it, sieving it. Yeah, alright guys, so this is the moringa tea, and this is the apple cider vinegar. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Yeah, okay, so you have to keep the apple cider vinegar till the following day before you take it. Now you can either take this differently, or you can take it to, you can mix it together however you want it. Okay, you can do it. Yeah, but this one has to be chilled, then this one has to be fermented, then you now turn it into this particular one, and then you drink the two together, or you drink the two separately. So however you want to drink it, you can drink it in the morning and in the evening. Okay, this one you can drink it in the morning, evening, afternoon. If you're drinking only moringa, so the moringa tea, you can equally drink it like 2 times a day, and all of your belly fats will be gone. Okay, let me mix it up and show you how it is. Yeah, so when you mix it up, this is how it's gonna look like. Yeah, this is really good. and this is one great drink. You drink this for at most 2 weeks and see the results. Be consistent with it for 2 weeks and you're going to see a huge result. Okay guys, so it is as simple as that. Very simple. Just mix this up and take. And little did we know that the food we see around, sometimes we don't even take them. Those are the medicine that we actually want. Those are those medicine we actually go to a very expensive, huge, all of those places to get. Yeah, so if you do find this video interesting and helpful, thumbs up, subscribe and share, and I will see you again. Bye.